Vítejte na mém YouTube kanálu, welcome on my YouTube channel. This video will be only in my Czech English, so I hope you will understand. Video bude jenom tou mojí Czech English, protože kdybych to říkal i česky, tak to bude strašně dlouhý, ale předpokládám, že pochopíte víceméně o co se tady jedná. So dear friends, I received, I can say every day or every second day, questions how to improve the sound of their or his her boxes. So I decided to record this video. I have now here on the table some old Tesla boxes, plastic boxes, not so heavy. So if you see it anywhere in shop or if you have them at the house, you say that it is audio scrap, but not so, because they are equipped with really not bad speakers, bass speakers, Tesla 165 millimeters, and the tweeters ARN 567 and tweeters ARV 081. And I forget to say thank you for watching my videos, for subscribing my YouTube channel, and also for watching the playlist Tips and Tricks, because this video will be also in this playlist Tips and Tricks, and you can see there a lot of infos about audio. And I must say, these my videos are for the beginners in audio technique only for the beginners, because all experts and audiophiles knows everything better than me. So if you are expert or if you are audiophile, and so you can switch this video off and don't see this video. It's really only for beginners. So please see also the playlist Tips and Tricks. It looks so, and I have here on the paper only a short list of some. There are more videos. Some what you can see there in this playlist. You can see info about do-it-yourself speaker cables, how to make your own speaker cables, which can be comparable with the high-end speaker cables, for budget speaker cables, for a few cents only. You can see there how to, I have it here because I don't remember all these videos, how to refurbish the speaker cone at home, how to choose not bad sounding CD player, how to play LPs underwater, how they do it in some recording studios. It's incredible how it's changing the sound if you play LP under the water. Incredible. I have seen it for the first time about 15-20 years ago by my friend in one recording studio. Incredible, see it. How save your money by purchasing old loudspeakers, save your money by purchasing old turntables. How to connect turntable to phono preamplifier, to an amplifier, how to pull out the speaker dust cap with vacuum cleaner, how to repair damaged speaker cones, how I have here, you can see crossovers. So how works the coil in speaker crossover, how works the condenser capacitor in the speaker crossover, with demonstration how is changing the sound if you use any other coil or if you use condenser capacitor with another capacity. What is this? What is it? The speaker impedance. What is the speaker sensitivity? With demonstration of sensitivity of some different speakers. How to make your do-it-yourself turntable belt. How you can check the polarity of the speakers with small battery. You can find there also the testing sounds for your speaker boxes, stereo, mono, if the speakers are in phase, out of phase. Also is there the extreme bass sound for testing your subwoofer. I show there how you can refurbish the wooden surface. It's not wood, wooden surface of the boxes within few minutes, and other videos. So this made a few of them, and let's go on. Let's see how does it look inside. I have here these boxes, more pairs, and here we're missing the screws, so I take this one complete and this without the screws. It's very simple to open it. If you dismount is six screws. Let's see how does look it inside. The damping material, it's a cotton. It's not good. Tesla ARN567, Tesla ARV081. The front plate is not sealed. This damping material is bad. Condenser, like first stage crossover in front of the tweeter, is not enough. So I would like to try to change to improve the sound of this right box, and then we will compare it with the original. It's not valid only for this type of boxes. It's valid for boxes you have, maybe you have at home, at your garage, and so. And you can very simply improve the sound. And I hope, I believe, that we can hear it later, that this, with some changes, will be sounding better. Not perfect. It cannot be perfect with such a small boxes. But I hope and I believe that it will be better. This bass, or when were these boxes produced? They were produced in the 70s last century. On each Tesla speaker should be the alphabetical code. Here I see the NH, and it means the months and year of production, but there's a big list of these letters, and it's not in alphabetical order. This NH, it means February 77. But these boxes were produced, I can say, the whole 70s. So we have now 2020. 80, 90, 2000, so about I think a little less than 50 years old box. So this bass speaker, it will be better if the box will be bigger. The not bad volume, inner volume of the box for such a speaker, it's about 15 liters. This is 4 liters, 5 liters, 6 liters. So it's too small. But I will put inside this damping material instead of this cotton. This is glass. This is from some Grundig or Telefunken old hi-fi boxes, and the best damping material which you can put inside the box is the old glass. For example, from the old refrigerator, from the old house, as ceiling or isolation of old house, refrigerators and other. So glass. It's not pleasant to work with it. Sorry, I must stop and start the recording because in high resolution it records only 10 minutes. So it was last few seconds to start recording once more. So it's not pleasant to work with this glass. You must be very careful. You after you take it in your hands, you cannot touch your face. eyes or go to the toilet, it will be sure problem. So you must work with it carefully. I found in the kitchen for my wife when she's cleaning household this gloves. So I will do it with this gloves. Condenser, it's not the best solution, the best way to have in the speaker box only condenser before the tweeter. See the previous video in the tips and tricks how works the coil and how works the condenser capacitor in speaker crossover. I have here box of crossovers. All of them are two-way, and I will take one of them. Yes, it's not it's not the best way because it's not directly tuned for such a box, but I hope or I believe that it will be better. So it will not be perfect. So for example this one. And if you are interested in crossovers, you find them on my website Angelika.cz on the page crossover. I put it away. So then I told that the box was not sealed, or all speakers should be sealed without any openings. As you can see, it's mounted from the back side, and the speaker has rubber sealing from the front side, so it's not necessary to dismount the speaker. The same by the tweeter, but the front plate is not sealed. I have here in trash this black material. It's from old Grundig box. It's incredible. After 50 years it still will work, so I put it here that it will be sealed properly. So now I will connect the crossover, put inside the glass, and then we'll try the sound and compare it with original box. So I will stop for a minute the recording and make it. So the crossover is connected. Now I will put inside the glass wool and close the box with the sealing, and then we will compare the sound. So ready, the box which was dismounted is now on the left side, that you can see it better with these numbers. As you can see the ceiling here, and I hope that you can hear on your mobile phones, tablet or computer the difference in the sound. So let's try it. Connect it as stereo now. Left channel, right channel, left channel, right channel. no difference. I hear the difference, but I'm not sure that you will hear it on your device. If you have better boxes by computer, I think that you can hear it. So thank you for watching, and see the playlist tips and tricks.